Hey, 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 Bunny Crew. It's your favorite bunny, BunnyBClouded, and today we are making Puerto Rican Pernil, which means the kitchen is about to smell amazing and I am about to be a very happy, full bunny. So get comfy because we're cooking with good vibes and a little bit of chaos. All right, let's start with our dry seasoning. We're gonna get started with our pepper, one packet of sazon, a healthy dose of oregano, that adobo, that Badia adobo, it's really good. You gotta get some. It's pretty much everywhere. If not, you can get it on Amazon. Garlic powder, plenty of garlic powder. You're gonna need this. Garlic is key. Onion powder. Excuse me, onion powder, we're in the middle of something. Why are you empty? Thank you for getting your life together. And don't be shy with seasoning. This pork deserves flavor, attention, and emotional support. You kind of want you want to season until your ancestors whisper, "Okay, that's cute. You can stop now." Now a little paprika. A little cumin, just enough to make people ask questions. You know, like, what is going on in this kitchen right now? If this doesn't smell good, I don't know what to tell you. You clearly weren't paying attention. Our dry rub is ready, and she is smelling confident. She is smelling demure. And this right here is my homemade sofrito. She deserves her own video, her own lighting, her own fan club. If you want that recipe, Bunny Crew, let me know and I'll drop it. But today, she's here to work. She's clocking in. Now, we get our garlic. I forgot to pre-chop it, so we're gonna do it now. And not like polite garlic, we need a respectful amount of garlic. Other words, a shit ton. You'll need about 12 cloves. She's a thick cut of meat. She's chunky. She's almost ready to make her debut, but she needs garlic. Garlic is a necessity for her. I'm keeping these pretty big because we're stuffing them into the pork. Yes, stuffing. We're committed to flavor in this house. I've got saran wrap underneath, so once we're done, she goes straight into overnight flavor mode with a healthy wrap around. Our next step is we're gonna carefully separate the skin without cutting it off. We need that skin later for the crispy moment, and I mean the crispy moment. This did take me a minute, so I sped it up, but just take your time and be gentle. We want crispy later, not chaos now. Well, maybe a little chaos. Chaos can be fun, but for this part, let's keep the chaos at a minimum. It's the thing that makes her perfect and beautiful and what every single person loves to munch on. Bunny Crew, can we admire this absolute beast of a piece of meat? 15 pounds of bone-in pork shoulder, ready to be spoiled and spanked. Now we're making little X's in the meat so the seasoning can really get in there. This looks dramatic, but it's just helping the flavor travel. Think of it as little flavor portals or little flavor doorways that just integrate into the meat. Oh, that was nerdy. That was nerdy. I heard it. I heard it. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Stab away. Make sure you stab it really well. Get your frustration out. Get that pent up negative energy, and you take that knife and you stab that pig as many times as you can justify. Now, we're going to take our garlic and tuck it into all those little stab wounds. And let's shove it in those little pockets. It's like we're hiding tiny, delicious surprises. No pocket left behind. Now, our sofrito goes on. I tried to be classy with the spatula. It wasn't doing it for me. I gave up. I tried it for a minute, put it down, and said, no, hands are better. We need to touch this. We need to rub this pig. We need to get the flavors and all that inside of all those crevices, under the skin, in the holes, everywhere. We are not missing a spot. She is getting the full deluxe spa treatment. Now we bring back that dry rub that we had spread aside and sprinkle that all over the meat. At this point, your kitchen should smell like you know what you're doing. And if it doesn't, pretend it does. Confidence is key, but if it doesn't, I am still concerned. It should have already smelled good. So now we're gonna put the skin back over on top, and we're gonna season the outside. We're gonna use our sofrito and our dry rub. This is just for marinating. Tomorrow, we're wiping the skin dry and re-seasoning with the dry rub so it gets super crispy. And yes, crispy skin is non-negotiable. Nobody wants soggy skin. Now we wrap her up nice and tight so all the flavor stays where it belongs. And of course, a couple little love taps for good luck and to put her in her place. She likes it, I promise. She's going into the fridge overnight to think about how delicious she's about to be. And I can already taste it. I can't wait. All right, Bunny Crew, it's day 2. It's early in the morning. This roast does take a long time because of how big it is. She has been marinating, resting, minding her business. Well, actually, she hasn't really been minding her business because she's been taking up a lot of space in my fridge. Now, I'm putting her in a disposable pan because I did not own a pan big enough. While I had a pan big enough, it was not deep enough. This is going to throw a ton of juice. They always do. And it's probably going to fill up higher than the pan I had to put it in. The disposable pan was a great idea from my dad. It was his holiday problem-solving moment, so shout out to Dad for the assist. We love a resourceful king. Now that we got our meat in our pan, we're looking at her, we're getting ready to put her in the oven. Now this part is super important. we are wiping off all that moisture from the skin. If the skin is wet, it will not get crispy. And we did not wait 2 days for sadness. Dry skin only. Now that she's dry, you should have already been preheating your oven at 300 degrees. Now we use the leftover dry seasoning and rub it all over the skin. This helps pull out moisture and makes it extra crispy in the oven. This is the final outfit before the party. This is the glow up. So we cook at 300 degrees for about 9 hours, covered in foil so she stays nice and juicy. Then for the last hour, we take off the foil, turn up the oven to 375, and let her crisp up. And when you take that foil off, just know there will be a lot of juices in that pan. I took about 85% out with a turkey baster and put it to the side. Those juices I set aside. I basted the top twice during that last hour, reserving the last 30 minutes for no basting so that we really get that crisp. She stayed juicy and crispy, and yes, we can have both. And this is the final result. Crispy skin, juicy meat, absolutely worth the wait. I would share some with you, but I don't want to. So make it for yourself. If you like this, drop a comment, like, subscribe, and if there's anything else you want to see me make, I can make anything. I love to cook. Follow along for more.